Hi sewing friends, it's Alice Murray with Murr-Made Designs, and this is day 76 of 365 days of sewing makes, where I am attempting, I use the word attempting, to make and show you 365 garments / outfits. Sometimes you get a 2-for-1 deal. And today I want to show you this cute little top. It is very plain and simple Burda 6328. A very simple pattern for a t-shirt with a boat neck, long sleeve, short sleeve, or you can put little flounces on the end. And I just made the long sleeve version. And I am also wearing my Quick Sew 3807 jeans that I made a couple months ago. But mostly what I want to show you is this top. This is a top that would work very good in my life because I do a lot of just wearing t-shirts and jeans. This may be the first striped knit I have sewn. And I tried to match it up, and I didn't do too bad. It's not terrible. Don't look too close. The arms are matched up. They're a little off. And actually it looked great, but it was too long. And I contemplated keeping it long like a tunic, but then decided I would cut it off and hem it. And when I cut it off, I found out I was kind of cutting along the line and they're not quite lined up. And you can kind of see it in the back that they aren't lined up real well. So don't look too close. But yeah, this is made out of a knit. It's one of those knits that come in like a tube, like it's knit in a tube, not, flat in fabric. I got it from online from Fabric Mart, and it is a black line. And I thought, this would be cute in the summer with some black, like a black short skirt maybe, or not too short, or, maybe some shorts. But it's good for the winter. It's got long sleeves. It's cozy. So what I'm grateful for, this is kind of a grateful, also a question. I am grateful for the people that give feedback about styling, how I should style the different garments and pieces and outfits, what I should wear with them, scarves and hats and jewelry and shoes and, they belts, and they give me so many great ideas. I'm going to have to go shopping one day. But anyway, this plain little striped t-shirt. I would love to hear from you what you think would be the best way to style this. What should I wear with it? I think it goes kind of really good with my black jeans, but what else could I do? I would love to hear from you. I love your ideas. So creative. And I hope that you are sewing, because sewing, especially when you have a crowd of great people going along on the journey with you, is so much fun.